Now converse of midpoint theorem. What is the theorem? The line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisect the third side. Okay. Now this is your triangle ABC. This is the midpoint D. This is the midpoint of AB. Okay. And a line D is parallel to BC. This is given to us. Now we have to prove that this line drawn parallel to BC bisect the third side, this side AC. We have to prove that AE is equals to CE. This we have to prove. So we'll write given in triangle ABCD is midpoint of AB. A line L, this line L passing through D and parallel to BC. This is given to us, and it intersect AC at point E. This we have to prove. AE is equals to CE, that we have written. Construction: draw a line segment CM, this CM, parallel to AB, this AB, and intersecting L at point F. ये L को F पे intersect कर रही है, this line. It is given that CM is parallel to AB. This is only given to us. Okay. So one by one we'll prove this. See, DF is, this DF is parallel to BC. This is given. And DF is parallel to BC and BA is parallel to CM. Okay. Or BA or BD you can take. BD is parallel to CF. This is by construction. So when both the pairs of lines are parallel, you can say that it is a parallelogram. So you can say that quadrilateral BCFD is a parallelogram. If it is a parallelogram, means opposite sides are equal. It means BD is equals to CF and DF is equals to BC. Sorry. But AD is equals to, we know that D is the midpoint, so AD is equals to BD. So AD is equals to CF also. From here I am replacing BD. So AD is equals to CF. Okay. Now CM is, you can see this CM is parallel to BA and AC is the transversal. AC is transversal. You can see that then this angle 1 is equals to angle 2 are equal because these are alternate interior angles, isn't it? So we'll write angle DAE is equals to angle FCE. These are alternate interior angles, and we know that alternate interior angles are equal. Now we'll consider these two triangles. In triangle ADE and triangle ADE and triangle FCE. Okay, DAE is equals to FCE, proved above, and you can see that angle 3 is equals to angle 4, vertically opposite angles. So you can write that angle AED is equals to angle CEF. Vertically opposite angles. This you can see AED is equals to CEF, vertically opposite angles, and we have proved that this AD is equals to CF. AD is equals to CF, proved above. Okay, so our triangles are congruent by AAS. Now you see this. Okay, now angle and side. Here also angle and side. In midpoint theorem we have proved triangles congruent by ASA. Now here we are taking AAS because side is not included here. Okay, so by AAS triangles are congruent. So by CPCT we can say that AE is equals to this, AE is equals to CE by CPCT. Okay, so we can say that, so the line L, this line L bisects the side AC at E. This is your line L. This bisects the side AC at E. Hence